don't know where the wind will blow, what the skies will show as I walk through this door. And I know now there'll be pain and doubt, there'll be questions loud. Should I turn around? Baby steps are all I got, faith is my guide. Baby steps always take time, so I'm taking mine. I have learned there's a voice that yearns, it's a force that burns, and it must be heard. And I find strength in the words we say, in the thoughts